Alrighty, got one of these new packs. Murders at the Karlov Manor. Track the clues, crack the case. It's like kind of a detective thing. Pretty cool. Alright, let's get into it, see what we get. Alrighty. Let's see what's up with these packs, man. Brand new. Alright, we start off with Fender at Large, Creature Giant Rogue, Basilica Stalker, Creature Vampire Detective, okay. Let me see, we got Tunnel Tipster, looks like a mole creature, yeah, Mole Scout. We got Inside Source. Alrighty. We got the Dog Walker. Felonious Rage. Crowd Control Warden. Centaur Soldier. Alright. Pretty cool. Repulsive Mutation. It's an instant card. Absolving Lamazoo. Looks like a gargoyle or something. Got our Rune Brand Juggler, Shaman, Archdruid's Charm, got Case of the Crimson Pulse, enchantment card. Alright, we got a full card right here. Gravestone Strider, Golem. Okay. And then we got a basic land mountain card. Then we got one of these full art. Looks like a ghoul or something, or bat or some sort. Fugitive, Codebreaker, Cosmic, Podar. Alright. Yeah, that's what I got. Yeah, I like them full art cards. Pretty cool. Yeah. Murders at Karlov Manor. Pretty cool cards, man.